world is severely lacking leadership. And so many men have lost their way to lead. They've literally stopped leading. They don't know how to lead. They don't even know it's their job to lead. And they're confused, unhappy, and often feeling alienated and disconnected. Also leaving tens of millions of women feeling the same way. A lack of leadership in the world. A lack of men leading. Leading how? Taking the risks that need to be taken. The risk to say hello, for example. The risk to open up and be vulnerable and take a risk to be judged and exposed and projected and look like a fool. The risk to dive in and be curious about someone and see what happens. The risk to ask a girl out on a fucking date. The risk to initiate physical contact or kiss. Risk to dive into a relationship and see where it takes you. Men have literally lost their way. And because they've lost their way, really women have lost their way. And nefarious creatures come in and fill the void and start leading. And leading everyone to unhappy places, leading people to be very divided and divisive, leading people to go, why not just become a lesbian now? Literally. Now, it's literally become that here. Not necessarily because she was one, but because the leadership is lost and the division is set in. And the only way that you can restore balance in your own life and in the world is for you to take a risk every time you want to connect with a woman. Every single time you want to connect with a woman and you walk away, you do yourself a disservice, you do her a disservice, and you do the world a disservice. You do humanity a disservice. You let nefarious people, nefarious energies creep in and take the role, the natural role of a man to lead away. I beg of you, each and every one of you, take the risk. Every risk you don't want to take, you got to take it. And when you think it's time to not take a risk because the voices in your head told you not to, I take one more risk and set this world in the right motion. John Keegan, theawakenedlifestyle.com. Check me out.